Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken quinoa salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa and 2 cups of shredded chicken. Don't forget fresh vegetables like crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and colorful bell peppers. For the dressing, we'll use a simple mix of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. This combination ensures a flavorful and healthy meal. Next, let's prepare the main components. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa well, then cook it in 2 cups of water until fluffy. While the quinoa cooks, prepare your chicken. You can bake or grill 2 chicken breasts until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, shred the chicken into convenient bite-sized pieces, ready for our salad. Now for the fun part, assembling your delicious salad. In a large bowl, combine the fluffy quinoa, shredded chicken, and all your colorful, chopped vegetables. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour this vibrant dressing over your salad and toss everything gently until every ingredient is perfectly coated. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade chicken quinoa salad. This dish is best served fresh, so dish it out right away. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay delicious for up to 3 days. Enjoy your healthy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.